I used to have to stop, stretch, and come back to it. Now you feel like you can go a longer period of time enjoying your puzzle. You feel comfortable, you don't feel pressure, because you get a lot of pressure when you're standing longer period of time doing a puzzle. I like wood puzzles, and you can see the pieces. It's called King Lions, and they use cats. So for me, because I'm willing to spend $150 for a 500-piece puzzle, I'm willing to save my back using Lift Your Table to make it more comfortable for me to enjoy my puzzle. Lift your table and save your back.
Lift your table and save your back.